Hey guys, I don't know what's the girl Nikki. I want to know what there guys, but they are Mystic Mountain. And you know the thing goes there, some look. Come here, baby. Come here, baby. Say hi to YouTube. Say hi, YouTube.
Hi, YouTube.
My name is KK.
My name is KK.
Yeah.
Alright.
Tell me your auntie.
The dog them there run and go on and watch him.
Come here, KJ.
Again, you know.
See with General, watch it.
Again, you know. General.
Hey.
Yo, hear me I say this is KJ on the block, Mystic Mountain. We doing a shoot. Boy rapper.
And Tiki.
And Tiki.
And KK.
And KK.
And Nikki.
And Nikki.
And
Fire Stick.
Fire stick.
Fire Stick. Him look.
Oh, people, when they see it. Roll in.
Hey, I saw me that one. Hey, and I saw me one this. No. You know what?
Yeah.
I'm making cart right now in a some tile.
I don't want to fit in there.
Big, innit? You know them big.
Then there.
First, you know, fresh water.
What is your name, Nikki?
Bobsled.
This is another bobsled.
I don't know
This
what this name.
remember what name? But they on this thing we go over here. Nice, so fat.
It's not nice to me, guys.
Nice people.
It's not nice to me.
You see her over here, so? She look coward, you fat. Ajay.
I don't know what's coward. That's what you want me to do. I never go for them something yet.
Sweet. Woo!
Hi, guys.
You're with our coward voice. Look on this one about my neck.
What's good? What's good? Be there.
You alright, KK?
You got the phone rapper?
Yeah.
So you know zip your pocket.
So yes, peeps, to pick up speed, it feels so good. Man, this is really nice. Nikki is covered.
Where? They come back down?
Yes.
Are they supposed to come back down?
No, yes.
To eat food?
What is this?
No, me ask you.
Yes, afraid.
Are they supposed to
Yo,
come back down
people
to
should
eat
afraid
food?
now. They're in the mountain. Something we don't know. But we can't get this where I see the whole city and things like that. Wish we have a better camera with a better lens. A better lens could have zoom in so you could have see it up there.
Me not take plane. Rapper babes, look over there. Wow, beautiful.
Whoa, that's so pretty.
I just have to take come back down there.
Yo, this just don't look down, Nikki. That's the trick. Don't look down. Just keep your head above the trees.
So do it. Zoom it in.
Yo, people, she say yo Jamaican nice. You not forget for it.
Guys, you wanna come here? This place is the name of this place is Mystic Mountain, guys.
Yeah, we are Mystic Mountain.
I am so excited to be here, even though I'm up in the sky and
Air is blowing and everything like this is where
What we do here is go back.
This are the forest, yo, they have above them trees up, but we never anticipate to go so close to any one of them trees up. Or even climb to reach the top of any one of them trees here.
Hi, KK!
Yeah, with our co-advice.
Hi! Hi, baby.
Hey,
love
baby,
you.
I love you too.
Mwah.
Mwah.
Hey guys, I love you guys. Guys, right now the reason for us to be at Mystic Mountain because we are celebrating our 500 subscribers, and if it wasn't for you guys, we wouldn't reach here. So guys, we love you so much. We appreciate you guys so much.
Oh,
We not even know how to thank you or anything like that, but I appreciate you a lot. All of my subscribers them and all of my people them and everything who watch the video and love it and everything will love you know. I not even have words can express my feelings.
No, I'm just telling us, yo, I don't like it. I read out this. And at the trees, them we are gonna land. Water come out of the rocks.
Nah, na bis. Wala pa this time na. Baka ma-free na siya. Kasi never ko pa na like this before na to. Mas that thing ay come like na ko pa sa na waiting. Wala. So you want to do? Whatcha? Uy! Uy! Nagpapas na! Whatcha? Wala na! Wala na! Wala na! Nala! Take your time. Take your time. Watch out! Watch out! Take your time, no?
I'm take my time.
What? Muito no começo, because me tell you say
Yes,
right
sir.
scary about this. Sweet.
Alright,
Love it. Woo.
please remember to
General.
bad brother.
I jump on the ragamuffin.
Just want something that want to see them go through the mountain.
Yeah.
Girl that scream out, hey!
Yeah, man. Bad dog. Them all have to bite them too, but you have to pay no money for no bite. There's something with the camera. There's something with the camera.
Hey guys, as I say, we are celebrating 500 subscribers that we get, and we thank all the people who support us and be a part of the YouTube channel and every little thing. You have KJ the drive over this up, and you have Stick Crack over this up.
Yeah, this is KJ. Up and running. Rapper. We are here supporting the 500 subscriber.
Yeah.
And we're doing well so far.
Yeah.
Back to Nicky now.
Nicky now, not no more possession.
Alright.
No, man, I don't say my youth. You don't know say I want done, my youth. Yo, Papa. See, so them rock here. They so far, we're going to go and we are going down.
No.
You see? Oh, yes, sir.
Yeah.
My youth, proper English.
No English night. I'm telling my youth.
Over the rocks them there. It's pretty still, you know?
Yeah.
This was all.
Yeah. Up and running. We're living the Jamaican life, Jamaican tourist life. Not traveling from the USA or no foreign country, but up and running. That's what all Jamaicans should do. Work and, you know, support
Enjoy
the
life.
country, which is right.
Yeah, because we
You know?
get to live at once.
We want to live once,
Or three,
one time. So we have to enjoy life to the fullest. Now we're enjoying Jamaica, the tourist area,
Yeah.
and we're doing fine so
Tourists
far.
that have not
Alright.
way.
Yeah, up and running. Over to Alex.
Yeah.
You don't know, say one done already, may I tell you one.
The Pandora muffin now about this.
Yeah.
Wow. That's sweet. Woo! What you know? Do I sing? I say I sing. I'm going up on camera tonight. Black one. Hold on. Hold on. Shit here. Don't tight. I go see you like. Whoa! Blood! Woo! Yeah! Gee, going on! You see the fuck? Woo! Why it stop? Sweet though, babes. Yes, yes. Get your the ragamuffin. Yes. Here we go again. Glad they please you. Sweet. Yes, yes. Hold on, sir.
Me bongo chongo longo songo longo bungo fango bungo. Why?
Oh, the bike, yes, it wasn't nice. Good?
I can ride that. I can ride that.
Yeah. Shall I crash? Let me see.
KJ!
Hands up. Hold on, hold on. Just watch it.
No jump on it.
That was not working. Yeah.
Yeah. That's the minutes I turn.
See, that's the one thing.
She do over there, so I'm about to come back in the water. Okay, I'm about to come back in the water. Show you. But they enjoy themselves in the pool. There's something for your camera, babe. The people have to
Hey
subscribe.
guys, I love you guys. thank you so much again for making me reach 500 subscribers. And please remember to share, like, comment, tell a friend to tell a friend.
What's up, Malik?
Man, I tell you already, my youth. I want that, my youth, from we out, so I tell you already. Now we're patient.
And you have a pass.
So guys, we come to the end of another video, and guys, I really want you guys to come here and experience what I experienced here this morning, because honestly the place is so beautiful, it's so calm, and everything about it is nice. The people there are nice and everything like that. So I just want you guys to come and enjoy yourself like when me come and enjoy myself. So guys, so please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. Yeah, big up on yourself, and thank you guys so much for let me reach 500 subscribers.
Kill catch him. Dog, go there, so lie down. I keep dead.
What's your view there? Is that computer nice? Is that beautiful enough?
Yeah, that's nice.
That's so nice. Come down through the that means so then, if we go up on this, then we can go in the here.
Here, you know, I'm gonna feel like you're there. Like you're not careful.
Hello? KK. Yeah.
Boom, boom.
Hi,
Oh,
baby.
So with the 9 feet.